Hello, here is my demonstration of the first couple of lines of Python Poem. Python Poem by Clare Bevan. I slither round my tank of glass. I crush the tufts of plastic grass. Hello, my name is Christopher. I help children prepare for and perform their poems for the speech festival. This year it's quite different because you have to record your poem on video instead of standing up on stage in front of a live audience. I can help you with that, and if you would like my assistance, send me an email to the address you see here and I will give you a quotation for my fee. In the meantime, please listen to a poem I recorded from an earlier speech festival. I look forward to hearing from you. Goodbye for now. Okay, so now I am going to demonstrate that poem. The Hippopotamus's Birthday by E.V. Rio. He has opened all his parcels, but the largest and the last. His hopes are at their highest, and his heart is beating fast. Oh, happy hippopotamus, what lovely gift is here! He cuts the string. The world stands still. A pair of boots appear. Oh, little hippopotamus, the sorrows of the small. He dropped 2 tears to mingle with the flowing Senegal, and the thank you that he uttered was the saddest ever heard in the Senegambian jungle from the mouth of beast or